Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a little mini review slash first impressions of my new Picotin 18 that I just got from HERMES. I haven't used it too much yet, but I did want to kind of talk about it a little bit more because I feel like I didn't really go over like everything in the unboxing video because I was just so excited. Like I didn't even do like a what's in my bag or anything or like what fits. So yeah, I thought I would share more details with you guys today. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please grab that subscribe button down below. If you like luxury and if you like handbags, you'll really like it here on my channel. I upload twice a week and I also do monthly giveaways, so there's plenty to do and see here. All right, so I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about the story behind the Picotin, but I won't repeat myself too much. If you want to, you can check out the whole entire unboxing where I tell you the entire story about how I got this. I will link it down below for you guys. But in a nutshell, basically, I had added this to my wish list not too long ago, even just like a couple of weeks ago. I was telling my essay how I really wanted the Picotin and we saw it in the rose sakura color, just a picture on the internet, and I fell absolutely in love with it. So after that, I added it to my wish list, and literally a couple of weeks later, this arrived in the store and my essay was able to get it for me. I'm so grateful for that. And yeah, that's basically the story in a nutshell. I did buy it brand new in store, not pre-loved online or anything, so yeah, just very lucky to have obtained this. Now this is in the Clement leather, and like I was saying, the color is rose sakura. It's also got silver hardware. I think some people think that the Picotins only come in silver hardware, but I've actually seen them in gold hardware as well, although I've never seen a rose sakura in the gold color, so maybe that doesn't exist. But I do really love the way that this color looks with silver. It's funny because, like I was saying in the unboxing video, I have a bracelet and my mom has a bracelet that are both in the Swift rose sakura leather, but her bracelet has gold hardware and mine has rose gold hardware, and this has silver hardware. And I think no matter what hardware goes with the rose sakura, it all looks really beautiful. And I even think I wouldn't mind having like, you know, a Kelly or a Birkin in rose sakura with the silver hardware. I think it looks great. So I've like totally lost my tape measure, but according to the internet, the dimensions of the bag are 18 centimeters in length. And again, this is in the 18 size. The Picotin does come in a couple of different sizes, but this is the smallest, and I think that this is the perfect size. It can hold so much, so I can't even imagine like how much the bigger ones can hold. Not to mention the fact that I would just be too afraid with like structure loss and everything with the bigger ones. This is basically a bucket style bag, so when you're using it like practically on a day-to-day basis, I don't think that you'd, you know, fuss over removing the lock so that you could remove this leather strap all the way. So when you open it on the inside, it just looks like this. There is no like lining or anything. It's just like this one solid piece of leather. If you can see on the inside, it's just like, you know, the untreated or whatever backside of the leather. The base of the bag is something that I really like and really appreciate it because it's super solid. Like, do you hear that? It's not like a saggy bottom, so even if you put a lot of stuff in it, it won't lose its shape. I actually am looking for an organizer to put in this thing. I haven't done my research yet, but I do feel like I've heard that Rue Paradis has one. So if they do have one for the Picotin, I will be grabbing that one, but if not, I'll probably just go on Etsy and you know, maybe try to find a felt one. But yeah, let's just go ahead and see what fits inside here. Because it is a bucket style bag, you guys, but I will show you what it looks like with the larger size wallet. Just because there's so much room in here, you can literally fit pretty much any size wallet you want. I'm going to be putting my cell phone. I have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's like the biggest phone out there right now. Next, I'm going to be putting my mini pochette in here. I just have like little makeup bits and I'm kind of using it as my catch-all. So yeah, there's like lipstick in here, concealers, and stuff of that nature. I have my compact powder. I have my little portable brush, a hand cream, And yeah, like I was saying, because it's a bucket style bag, this is normally what I carry day to day, but it's so huge that you can carry a lot more in here. So just to see if this all fits, I'm going to be throwing a small water bottle in here. And as you can see, you can fit like a lot more in here, but you have to kind of be careful what you're putting at the top since there is like no like complete closure. If you put your wallet or something at the top, I feel like it would be very easy for someone to come and pickpocket, or maybe it would even fall out. So I don't recommend like necessarily stuffing this all the way to the top, but if you need to, you can carry like literally everything in here. But I think probably this is like a really good amount. And it's kind of cool that I can throw a water bottle in there as well. Most of my purses can't fit it, and I just love being able to, not really have to think about what I'm carrying that day when I'm using this, and kind of just being able to use it for whatever I need to. It kind of sticks out if I do put it in there because I think the mini iPad is a little bit taller than the like height of the Picotin. So I guess if I want to do it kind of leaning like that, it could. So yeah, that is kind of cool to know. I do really like it when I can bring like a tablet with me. I'm actually really excited to get a little purse organizer because I do feel like if you are trying to dig around for your items, it's kind of hard because the items, especially the smaller items, may shift in the bag because it's just like a giant opening. So if you do have an organizer with a bunch of different pockets, it'll be easy to grab like your smaller items when you are looking for them. Like I would probably use this with a card case still, and maybe stick a card case in one of the pockets so that I can grab it easier, and maybe like my cell phone as well. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Just for closing remarks, I'm really liking this bag so far. I think it's very easy to use, and like I was saying, I really enjoy how I don't really have to limit myself when I'm using this bag, and I don't even have to think about what I want to carry in this bag because it can hold everything. Now, one more thing before I go, I wanted to compare it to the other Hermes bag that I have. This is in the rose confetti color, and as you can see, there is a difference between the rose confetti and rose sakura. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but this is a lot darker than this color. I mean, okay, I guess you can tell right now. My rose confetti bag, I've actually realized, is a little bit lighter than the rose confetti bags nowadays. I think it might be the leather also, but there have been a couple of rose confetti bags in the Hermes store that I've tried on that just seem a little bit darker than this. So I don't know if mine is just a little bit older and it's lighter, but yeah, I just wanted to point that out just in case you are, in the market for pink Hermes. I also have stated before that my Chanel pink square mini that I just got is like a similar color to the rose sakura color. When I was comparing it to my bracelets, I thought it was like the exact same color, but now that I have like a bigger bag to compare it to, this one seems a little bit more cool toned than this one. And this one is in the NCO20 pink from this year, 2021 spring collection. So yeah, this one is more of like a true pink, maybe like a white kind of pink, but this one does seem a little bit cool in comparison. So I thought that was interesting because I really did think that they were the same color. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the Picotin. I know this bag isn't for everybody, but I really do like it, and I think that I will get a lot of use out of it. Now, before I go, I did want to mention July's giveaway. For the month of July, I'm giving away this beautiful Coach bag. This is such a great bag, and I'm so happy to be giving away one of these to you guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. Please also make sure you're leaving your Instagram username in the comment as well. You can comment and enter in as many videos as you'd like for the month of July, only in the videos that I upload in July. You do have to also be subscribed to me here on YouTube and following me on Instagram to win. And yeah, with that, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you?